Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, today we will also prepare a video on Bitcoin. So in general, those of you who are watching for our daily updates on the forum, it's in text version. Today's will be another video. So we're just testing this subject for regular updating on the Forex Peace Army, and this is kind of the another attempt of creating the video on the Bitcoin. So we are watching for 4-hour time frame chart, and those of you who are interested with the Bitcoin, who are reading our analysis, probably remember that in general market was forming here the upside reversal pattern, which is a hand shoulders. And the first time and the first stage of this pattern, everything was going very nice. So market has shown the breakout of the neckline, making an attempt to move higher. But actually, there are two bearish moments with the current process. First of all, market hasn't quite reached the ABCD target of the hand shoulders, so it's minimum target of this pattern. So market should reach AB equals CD target of the pattern that is based on the head and on the right shoulder. But this hasn't happened, so because target stands slightly higher. The second negative moment is that market has dropped below the neckline again. So this is negative moment. And in fact, guys, we're stay at the eve of the failure of this pattern, and only 618 support holds market from the further collapse. But in general, this price action with the hand shoulders pattern is not really optimistic, and it significantly increases chances on the further drop lower. The one thing that could reestablish the bullish sentiment here is upward action and moving again above this recent top. In this case, yes, the sentiment could be reestablished. But until market stands below this top, we suggest that the short-term sentiment on the Bitcoin is bearish, and we suggest you to not take the long position by far. Even more, if you will take a look at the hourly chart, you will see that this price action is just a retracement of this drop. Because here, on the slope of this drop, we are getting the goddess triple to sell pattern. It's potentially a bearish continuation pattern, and because collapse was really strong and it's overcome, as you can see, this rally, this drop even greater. It's kind of the ABC retracement stance that should reach area around 66.49, 66.50. This will be destination point. Is kind of the AB equals CD pattern will be formed here, and that's potentially the point where market could reestablish downward action. So currently, we think that's not time to go long, and because the chances on the further drop is really significant. Because when you are dealing with the hand shoulders, and if it will fail, usually market drops not just below these lows, but also it could reach the bottom here, so drop below the head. That's usually the normal price behavior when you're dealing with a hand shoulders failure. So that's our position right now on the Bitcoin. So be careful, because overall situation shows weakness, and it's not quite suitable currently for taking any long position.